Today we are discussing interview-based questions for ServiceNow developer. You can download the complete list of interview-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: describe the purpose and benefits of ServiceNow CMDB configuration management database relationships. How can relationship classes be utilized to model dependencies between configuration items? Your answer should be: ServiceNow CMDB relationships allow organizations to model dependencies between different configuration items (CIs) within the configuration management database. Relationship classes define the types of connections that can exist between CIs and provide a structured way to represent dependencies. Benefits of CMDB relationships include improved impact analysis, change management, and understanding of the relationship between different components in the IT infrastructure. By utilizing relationship classes, organizations can create a comprehensive view of how CIs interact and depend on each other, contributing to effective IT service management. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: explain the purpose and use cases of ServiceNow catalog client scripts. How can client scripts be utilized to enhance the functionality and behavior of items in the service catalog? Your answer should be: ServiceNow catalog client scripts are scripts that run on the client side to enhance the functionality and behavior of items in the service catalog. They can be utilized to perform actions such as dynamically modifying catalog item options, validating user input, or controlling the visibility of certain elements based on user interactions. Catalog client scripts contribute to an improved user experience by customizing the behavior of service catalog items without requiring service-side processing. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: describe the concept of ServiceNow jelly scripts. How can jelly scripts be used for dynamic content rendering in ServiceNow UI pages? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow-based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: ServiceNow jelly scripts are used for dynamic content rendering in ServiceNow UI pages. Jelly is a scripting language that allows developers to define the structure and content of pages dynamically. Jelly scripts are often used in UI pages, UI macros, and UI components to create flexible and dynamic user interfaces. Developers can use jelly scripts to conditionally render content, iterate over data, and control the layout of UI elements. They provide a powerful mechanism for creating dynamic and data-driven UI components within the ServiceNow platform. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: explain the purpose and benefits of ServiceNow events and events handlers. How can events and event handlers be used to trigger actions and automate processes within the platform? Your answer should be ServiceNow events and event handlers are mechanisms for triggering actions and automating processes within the platform. Events represent occurrences or state changes, and event handlers define the actions to be taken in response to specific events. Benefits include improved automation, streamlined processes, and real time responsiveness. For example, an event handler could be configured to trigger the creation of an incident record whenever a specific event, such as a system alert, occurs. This helps organizations proactively address issues and streamline incident management. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current valid and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.